Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. And in this video, it's actually been a while since we unboxed or interacted with an Infinix device on this particular channel, but we have a new series from Infinix here, the Infinix HOT 30 series. So Infinix officially made this series available in Kenya. It should be about a week, actually even a few days ago, just before we actually shot this video. And this series include three devices: the HOT 30, which is what we have here, the HOT 30 Play, and the HOT 30i, with the HOT 30 here being the big brother, featuring some very interesting specs as you can see. So there's 256 GB here of internal storage. That's massive for a phone of this type. 16 gigs of internal storage, of actually RAM, that is. So what's happening here is we are getting on 8 GB of RAM. Then Infinix has added an extra 8 GB expandable RAM, so that gives you a total of 16 GB to actually play around with. So basically, that what basically it could be the reason why Infinix is actually referring to this phone as a gaming phone. So let me just go ahead and show you what you're getting in this package. The first thing you get to see, of course, is the phone itself, with some specs highlighted right here, including 33 watts fast charge, 5000 milliamperes battery. It has support for NFC. That's quite something from Infinix. It's a Helio G88 octa-core gaming processor, and of course we're getting some 90 Hz refresh rate, 1080p, 6.78 inch display, and of course a 50 megapixels super night camera for all your photography needs. So I'm gonna just set this up and show you what else you're getting. Further in the box, you have a plastic case added right here to protect the phone from scratches and all that. Then you're getting the 33 watts fast charging brick right here. Then we're getting a USB Type-C cable right here. And what else? We are getting some nice looking pair of earphones here, the standard earphones. Then there's a smaller box here, a smaller package here that now contains your SIM ejector pin. Yeah, so basically that's what you're getting on this particular box. So let me power this device on, do some quick setup, and take you through about the specs and what else you need to know about the Infinix HOT 30. Let's take a quick look at this particular device. So of course the HOT 30 features, we're getting a 6.78 inch full HD display with support for 90 Hz refresh rate. It's powered by MediaTek Helio G88 chipset. Of course we are getting some 8 gigs of RAM that I mentioned earlier, but again Infinix has added an additional 8 gigs of RAM, expandable RAM, so you get again to play around with 16 GB of internal storage. Of course we are getting 16 GB actually of RAM. In terms of memory, we are getting 256 GB of onboard storage, of course expandable to a terabyte. That's quite huge. Camera wise, at the back here there's a 50 megapixels main camera that is backed up by an AI sensor, and of course an 8 megapixel selfie camera right here at the front. So the HOT 30 runs Android 13, of course, out of the box. Obviously we're getting Infinix XOS overlay, and of course 5000 milliamperes battery, of course with support for 33 watts fast charging, which is the device of course go from 0 to just past halfway mark, 35% in just half an hour. Yep, of course some pre-installed apps come on this phone. You can see XOS launcher, a lot of other things to just play around phone, Boomplay, Facebook, all come installed. XOS app, there's the freezer app, AI gallery, all these particular apps that come pre-installed on this particular device. Yeah, again, as I say, this phone is available for 22,900, which you can buy from Infinix recommended retailers across the country. Yeah, that's it for this quick video. Of course I'm gonna have the review come up in the blog in a couple of weeks, so stay on the lookout for that. I'm going to be sharing all the other links about this particular device in the comment section of this particular device. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.